Hey everyone, Rick here. I'd just like to start off by saying thank you to everyone who's been subscribing the last little while to my channel. Really appreciate it. As of today, I think we're at 560 subscribers, so still growing. I'd like to get to 1,000 so I can get monetized. So YouTube starts paying me for the ads, for the revenue. Take that money and dump it back into the truck. Different things like tires and parts and stuff like that. So yeah, if you're watching this, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it'll potentially give me some money. So yeah, another thing, I like to make a shout out to Mr. Michael Pick. Your mom says that you're watching my videos. I work with her. And hope you're enjoying the content, and thanks for the support. So today we've got a video of dent removal. As most of you know, when we went on high voltage on the wheeling weekend, when I got towed out after my output shaft broke, one of the spots I got towed through, the pig hit a tree, just grazed off of it, but it doesn't take much when you're at speed. And stowed the quarter panel in really bad. So this video is just a quick one about pulling some of the dents out. I did a few different spots on the truck. So yeah, as always, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff.
Alright, so I'm here at work. I'm gonna try and get this dent out of the side of the box. Don't worry, I'm on my break, so I'm not doing it on company time. They've just got one of these things here, Porta-power. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna try and block it up and wedge her out if I can. I'm pretty sure this will do it. The easiest way to go about it. So yeah. Jack it out as much as I can and get it so it's not stowed in as far. Once again, it won't be perfect, but it'll definitely be better than that. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I got that quarter panel beat out. I also did a few other spots in the truck too. I don't know how good you can see, but it's still lumpy. But it's a lot better. The only part that I'm still struggling with is this bottom piece where it's so stretched. I don't know if I was to heat that, try and shrink it, I don't know, but that's where this line here is where it was folded before. So yeah, the metal's been stretched more than once. Yeah, but I think it came out half decent considering how stowed in that was. I mean, that was drove in there. This is still a little lumpy. It was harder to get at that. I'm not worried about it. Obviously this part I didn't get in there to do that. I don't care. I did take a fair amount out of this door that was puckered in. I did a little bit on this back part of the quarter here. Couldn't quite get into this section here, but and through here it didn't want to pull that. It would just want to push in on the bed. Took some out of this corner here. Took a little bit out of that door. That door there's, I mean, both doors are screwed, but yeah, so. But anyway, it's good for now, and then I'll obviously put more dents in it anyway.